How to track objects in CapCut PC. In this video, I will show you how can you easily track any object from your video in CapCut. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open your CapCut application and choose the video which you want to edit. We can track any object in our video using the text option. Add a text in your video, like for example, if I want to track a car, so I will write a car and also use an emoji on it. After editing your text, you need to click on tick, and now when you click on the text option and scroll right, at the end you will see the option of tracking. Click on it and then you will see a huge circle using which you need to select your object. Now I cannot see the car here, so I will move my video a little in front and then choose the option of car. After you are done choosing your object, you need to click on tick and start tracking. Once you click on start tracking, CapCut will edit your video. And then once the object appears in your screen, the text will appear with it. And that's all. That is how you can track object in CapCut video. This tracking effect makes your video look more professional. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorials. Thank you for watching till the end.